In this video, I will show you how it's possible to turn $1 into more than $500 in less than 1 hour. So guys, as you can see, I'm starting with $1. All right? So I'm starting with $1 with a balance of $1, and I guess that this will make me over 87%. So 87%, yeah. So as you can see here, this binary or this asset, pound USD, will make me 87%. So I'm 100%. As you can see, I'm 100% sure that pound USD will go from this point up. It doesn't matter how much it's going, because I'm making a profit if this happens. So yeah, this happened. I was 100% sure about it. And yeah, as you can see now, my balance is at $1.87. So, and I believe that the next candle will go up again. So again, this candle is going up. It doesn't matter how long the candle will be. All that matter is that my prediction is right, is that the closing price of the candle will be higher than my trade, the price I opened with. So this is the price here I opened with, and I'm waiting for the candle to close over that price, and I will make a profit of 87 cents or 87%. If I open the trade with $1,000, that would make me 870 or 70 cents, $70, sorry. But this time, as you can see, I'm opening only with $1. So I'm starting with $1. I believe that a lot of people can't afford trading with $10,000, $5,000. That's why I'm making videos starting with only $1. And I'm not showing you exactly how I predict the movement of the next candle. For example, this time also this candle will close over this price, and I will make a profit from that. But if you want to learn how I trade and how I predict the movement of the market, I will teach you a lot of things in the course in the description below. In the course, I will share with you everything I learned over the years. So yeah, another beautiful win. Yeah, another beautiful win. All right, the next candle. The next candle, I believe. So see the movement. Once you watch the course, once you start learning and trading and have experience in option trading, you will understand what I'm doing here. So yeah, for example, this one, 100% sure this one is going down. Once you watch the video, the course, you will understand why I'm saying this, why I'm 100% sure. Because yeah, I invite you to go and take a look, guys. That's it. That's all I can say. I invite you to go and take a look. So as you can see, right now we are sitting at around $6. So this one plus this one plus this one will make me around six or yeah, more than $6, $7, sorry. Yeah, $7. All right, $7. So as you can see, we started with $1. We are opening trades just step by step, and we are trying to go up and predicting the movement of the market. Once you learn and you'll have experience in different types of trading, you will understand what I'm doing here. So yeah, this is an uptrend. This candle will go up to yeah, that's what I'm doing here. So I invite you guys to go and take a look at the course, start learning. And please remember that trading anything is risky. You could lose your money. Don't trade with money you can't afford. Trading binary option is risky. Yeah, another win. Another beautiful win. $6. So right now we are sitting at $13. Yeah, we are sitting at $13. $13. If you remember, we started with only $1. Sorry, $1. Yeah, this time, all right. So yeah, this time I believe that GBP USD is going down, and this is why I sold or I short, because I believe that GBP is going down. I hope you will learn how I use different indicators from parabolic SAR to BP, Bollinger Bands, to other indicators. All the indicators I use in this in my trades are explained in the course in the description below. I will try to demonstrate to you how it's possible to make money from trading. This is not necessarily this is only a simulation of what is possible to do with trading if you know the exact techniques and the exact methods. This is not necessarily my real account. I can't share with you, obviously I can't share with you my real account because, yeah, for security reasons. But yeah, I'm sharing with you some small trades and demonstration how it's possible to make money with simple techniques with binary options. So this one is going down. So see, it was risky. This candle over here was risky, but I opened a trade anyway. I opened a beautiful trade anyway. So with $44, yeah, with $44, yeah. Fortunately, I opened here because I had more chance here. See, I had more chance here, but that's okay. That's okay for me. If it was for you, you need to do some techniques, and those techniques are explained in the course. Don't worry. I believe that this candle will close under this price, the price I opened here. So yeah, as you can see right now, we will make over 88 or $90, over $90 in just few minutes. Beautiful, beautiful. $98, 90 or 84, sorry, $84. Beautiful. So yeah, let's put 80. All right, I will put 82. Yeah, 82. I will keep that $2 extra there, but this one is also going down. So I hope you see what I'm doing here. See the uptrend now see the downtrend, and see what I'm doing. I'm making money from the trends using simple techniques, simple indicators. Right now I will make $71 with investment of $82. There's plenty of platforms out there. I advise you to go and take a look at the reviews about different platforms and see the best one for you. I use iqoption. This is not sponsored. I'm not sponsored by iqoption. I don't agree with everything that iqoption offers. I believe that there is better platforms out there. Please go and take a look at other platforms. You can. I don't advise you to use iqoption, but I use it anyway because I'm careful. I'm careful. They will give you a hard time when you want to. When you want to withdraw your money. So yeah. Yeah, so this one is 100% going down. See, yeah, went all the way down and then it's coming back, but yeah, last moment, and right now I made $155. Yeah, $155 with only $1 investment. We started with $1, but see, step by step. Don't rush it. Don't use leverage. Don't use any risky trade. With simple trades, if you know what you are doing, you are making money. Yeah, beautiful. This one will go up. This is the price here. It's going up, and I'm making money. Hope you will learn the same, guys. Hope you will learn the same thing I'm doing here, because really, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. So see, $133. Now we're sitting at $288. Yeah, beautiful. Right. So if you like the video, guys, I will open another trade. But if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, click a like, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed. So as you can see, it's risky. I could lose all my money. See here, I could lose all my money. Everything I made, I could lose in just one wrong decision. Don't make wrong decisions. Right now, I'm sure about it, but if it was you, you could lose all your money. So fortunately, we made